Good morning. Hi, this is Fred. Welcome to Fairway Trading Club. I'm calling it FTC for short. That's not the Federal Trade Commission. I'm just sort of little fun plan words. Anyway, wow, what a day. Monday morning, crazy market. I got a quick daily snapshot up here for you. You'll be able to see this every day, and I'll walk through that in a moment. But let me just quickly tell you that, on my pre-market watch list, Apple, Supermicro, NVIDIA, Intel, and a company called ONDS. You'll see that there. It's a good little $10 stock. I think you guys need to take a look at it. Those are all my ups in the pre-market. And the down, I had Palantir and Tesla. My big three for the day were Intel, NVIDIA, and ONDS. So like golf, patience is a virtue in trading. And a couple things I have from a patient's perspective. I don't start trading until 6:40 Pacific time, and because I want the market to shake out a little bit. Today I traded about 6:45, and guess what? I lost. I was down $62. And, I thought it was a good trade, but, it was $100 shares on Apple, ended up losing $62, but I got patient, and I really had to dig deep today because I did look at the NASDAQ at one time, and I'm mostly a NASDAQ guy. It was down over 400 on the NASDAQ, so I knew it was going to be a struggle today. When the days are up and everything's green, obviously we can all make money, but the key is when the days are down, which today was, and I ended up being, as you can see on the sheet here, $303. I was real happy. My goal is $200 a day. I'll get into that in a second. Quickly, click and like and subscribe if you would. I just want to see if anybody is at all interested in what I'm doing here. As I said before, I'm a day trader. I try to trade in about 2 to 3 hours in the morning. And I'm also a marshal on the golf course. And I'm really talking about the similarities between golfing and trading every single day. As you can see, sort of an up and down day, but the good news is I netted out a $303 day. And certainly if you have any questions, reply to my emails. Here's what my discipline process freedom screenshot looks like. I'm going to show this to you every single day, and hopefully you can get an idea of what I'm trying to accomplish here. Must say that I'm happy. My $36,000 a year goal, I'm at 15%, as you can see on this top line here. Monthly goal, $3,000. Month to date, 2,000. I got about 67%. Weekly, I just popped 304 today, so I only need about 700 more for the week to hit my goal. So I'm pretty happy with that. And a daily goal, I was above goal today by about $100. So, weekly goal, 200 times 5, 1,000, and I have 8 trading days left to hit my number. So, I'm on target to hit all this, and if I can do the $3,000 in a month, 1,000 in a week, and 200 a day, it should be a good week. But we know there's volatility, and during volatility, you got to take it easy. So I think I did my best today. I really do. I was patient, and I had a pretty good rebound for a volatile, I call a volatile recovery session. So that's where we are. I'll get a little bit more into my trading strategy as we go along, but I still want to see how many people care about a real trader, not these guys that say $1 million a day. There's no way. So, and I can talk about how I got from, trying to make $1,000 a day down to 200 and all the challenges they went through there. Anyway, have a great day. Please hit the click, like, and subscribe if you're into it. If not, I totally get it. And have a great day. Bye-bye.